Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a gradient to text in Canva. Let's start by opening Canva. You can use the web version at canva.com, or the Canva app on your phone or tablet. The steps are mostly the same. Now go ahead and start a new design. You can pick any size you want. Next, click on the text tool on the left. Choose any style of text you like or just click Add a Heading. Now type in the text where you want to add the gradient. If you try to add a gradient directly to this text, it won't work in the free version of Canva. The feature to add gradient colors directly to text is only available in Canva Pro. If you have a Pro account, here's how you can do it. First, select the text box. Then, look above in the top menu. You should see a button called Text Color. Click on that. Inside the color menu, click on Brand Kit and click Edit. Here, click on the plus icon to add a new color. You will find the option that says Gradient. But again, this option is only available if you're using the Pro version of Canva. If you're using the free version, the gradient effect will be locked, and you'll see a little crown icon next to it. That means it's for Pro users only. There's another way to do it in Canva Pro, and that's by using the app called Type Gradient. This is a separate app inside Canva. To find it, click on the Apps tab on the left side of your screen. Now search for the word Type Gradient and click on it. This app lets you create beautiful gradient text. Just type your text inside the Type Gradient panel and choose your font and gradient style. But just like before, this also only works if you have Canva Pro. So, in summary, Canva gives you a couple of easy ways to add gradients to text. You can use the Effects menu or the Type Gradient app, but both of these features require a Pro subscription. That's how it works. Thanks for watching.